Welcome to WTF, WesBank Talks Finance, where we clear up those what the finance moments by answering your frequently asked questions. How does the total cost of ownership affect what you can afford for your vehicle finance installment? So you've crunched the numbers and you know how much you've got available to spend each month on a new ride? Time to start shopping, right? Not quite. Keep your foot on the brake while you take a look at the bigger picture. There's more to it than just your monthly car installment. Let's break it down with an example. So you've got your eye on a car that costs 250,000. It's a hatchback and can get a finance deal for about 4,000 a month. Sounds reasonable, right? But that's not all. There's all the other stuff that keeps the car on the road, like fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Take fuel, for instance. Obviously, it depends on how much you're cruising around. But let's use 1,500 as a ballpark figure. Then there's insurance, which is non-negotiable. Let's take on another 1,700 for that requirement. And don't forget about maintenance. If your car doesn't come with a service plan, you're looking at shelling out another 500 or 600 for that. Add it all up and you're looking at around 3,800. That's almost as much as your monthly installment. Plus, as a car ages, you'll need to factor in extra costs like a new battery or replacing the tires. So here's the bottom line. The car finance payment is only one piece of the pie. Those other costs will eat into your available cash as well, and you need to calculate and plan for them carefully. What does this mean in the bigger scheme of things? You might have to consider choosing a less expensive vehicle for the sake of being able to fit all those other expenses comfortably into your budget. Thanks for listening. We hope that you found it useful. Now go and subscribe to be notified when our next informative episode is available.